To create contrast between the bright and light colors of a tie-dye, I recommend using a white base pastel as the base color. Here we'll be using Hibiscus Latte. To demonstrate this technique, we will be using only 2 colors. Here we are using Lavender Water, a semi-translucent white base color, and Art Deco Mint, a white base color. The choice in the number of colors is not very important. The success of this design is based on the technique, so give yourself the pleasure to get creative and choose your favorite color combination. Apply 2 thin coats of Hibiscus Latte. Always pay particular attention when applying a white base color because they tend to be a little thicker due to their texture. The Gelcare pro tip for a thin and smooth application is to always minimize the quantity of gel on your brush and pull the gel with very light pressure. Cure each coat of Hibiscus Latte for 30 seconds and let's move on to the fun part. Using the brush, dab a drop of lavender water on your nail. This will be the start of your tie-dye artwork. Soak your brush in alcohol and remove the excess with a non-fiber cotton. Delicately dilute the drop of lavender water to create a diffuse ink effect. Pay particular attention to the amount of alcohol you have in your brush. If there's too much alcohol, you'll lose the effect, and if there's not enough alcohol, you won't be able to dilute the gel. Between each coat of alcohol diluted color, cure for 30 seconds. If needed, use a little bit of Hibiscus Latte as an eraser to correct areas of your design you don't like. Because Hibiscus Latte is a white base pink, its opacity allows you to camouflage imperfections. For those who like nail art over natural nails, it is possible to create tie-dye with translucent colors, but it's easier to work over a white base color. Using a white base color as the bottom layer not only helps you to correct your artwork, but creates more contrast so that your diluted colors pop. Using your brush, apply the second color. In this case, it's Art Deco Mint with the same technique. Don't be afraid to cross over the first color. Cure 30 seconds after each step to fix your artwork. We're going to pause for a second and showcase another color combination that we love. Again, here we use Hibiscus Latte as the bottom layer. The tie-dye is created with Mandarin, a neon white base pastel, and Orchid, a pigmented fuchsia. Applying top coat is always the most satisfying step for a nail artist. The top coat will help level out your artwork and bring it all together with a glossy shine. Cure for a full 3 minutes to optimize the strength of your manicure.